Hello everyone. Mutation. Mutation is nothing but the change that leads to the variation. So mutation is nothing but a change in a DNA sequence that leads to the change in genotype and phenotype. Phenotype is nothing but our external appearance like presence of ears, hairs that are our phenotype. But that phenotype is only possible because of our genotype. So here, the mutation occurs due to certain factor that may be the physical or a chemical factor that leads to the mutation. Such factors we called as mutagens. In general, if DNA is there, DNA is going to make an RNA. From RNA to proteins are formed. That is in general. But due to the change in this DNA sequence that leads to the change in RNA, as RNA changes, our proteins also get changed, and that leads to the changes. So example like point mutation. Point mutation refers to the change in a single base pair. A change in a single DNA base pair is referred as point mutation. In the sense, on a DNA sequence, there is a change in a single base pair. For an example, sickle cell anemia. What happens in sickle cell anemia? The shape of the RBC gets changed. That is usually biconcave shape, but it becomes sickle shape. But what is happening in general? There is a glutamic acid should be there. For that purpose, on DNA there is a CTC, cytosine, thymine, cytosine sequence is there. That is in the form of triplet codon. From that DNA, RNA is made, that is GUG, GAG, that forms glutamic acid. But there is abnormality occurs. In the sense, thymine get replaced by adenine on an DNA sequence. If the DNA sequence get changed, ultimately protein will be changed, that is due to RNA, because it will code for GUG, and that result in the valid acid production. In the sense, there is a single change occur, that is referred as point mutation, and hence as a result, if our DNA changes, DNA change, chromosome also get changed, that leads to the abnormality or aberrations. As a result, these mutations are going to be the discontinuous, small, at a very particular places and directionless. It is not going to occur in a specific sequence. It can occur anywhere on a DNA sequence. For example, like frame shift mutation, there may be the addition, there may be the deletion of the sequences in a base pair of DNA, and all about this mutation that was explained by the mutational theory given by Hugo de Vries. In general, mutation refers to the changes in a DNA sequence. As a DNA change, the further process is also going to get hampered. As a result, DNA fault, RNA will also make faulty proteins, and as a result, that will result in abnormalities. In this way, it was all about mutation. Thank you so much.